Simple and honest pricing. The real conversation with any field team tracker is the human one. GPS tracking of employees needs transparency and often consent. Rules differ by country, and adoption dies the day the crew feels surveilled rather than served. That's the part of Atto nobody puts in the headline. So, is it actually worth your money?
We've read the fine print and pulled the receipts. And if the honest answer is skip it, that's exactly the verdict you'll hear.
Okay, first things first. What does it actually do?
Here's the core of it. Time tracking and timesheets for hourly and mobile teams. Track hours, breaks, and locations with GPS, and turn timesheets into payroll-ready reports.
That's the pitch. Now, the price.
Let's talk price. There's a free tier that genuinely does something. Every tier is broken down in the free dossier on our AI Builder Marketplace website, and we never make the numbers up.
And the catch? Hold on, every tool has fine print. Is this actually worse than normal?
Roll it out as accurate paychecks and fewer timesheet fights. Involve the team, and the tool pays for itself. Roll it out as surveillance, and no feature list saves it. And that's not our opinion. It's on their own pricing page.
So, who is it genuinely for?
Honestly, hourly and mobile crews, construction, cleaning, field service that want dead simple clock in or out, GPS verified timesheets and payroll-ready exports.
And who should walk away?
Simple. Skip it if office or knowledge teams. Project-based trackers like Toggl fit better, or anywhere the team hasn't been brought along on why. So, the verdict. Worth it if you're hourly and mobile crews. Skip it if office/knowledge teams.
The complete Atto dossier, every claim sourced, every flag with its evidence, is free in the Honest Software Atlas on our AI Builder Marketplace website. No sign up.
And if Atto isn't your fit, the honest alternative is one click away.
Used Atto yourself? The dossier now takes reader reviews, and critical ones get published too.
Quick one for the comments. Are you team free tier or team pay for power? We read every single one.
One honest software review, every single week.
No hype, no fake discounts, and we say skip it when that's the truth. Subscribe and catch the next one.